Hello and welcome to your next lesson. Today we will discuss the Box and Whisker plot in Microsoft Excel. A Box and Whisker plot is a great tool to display the numerical summary of your data. This chart will capture the first quartile, the minimum, the median, the mean, the maximum, and the third quartile as today's video will demonstrate. Please open the Visual Data Worksheet and go to the Box and Whisker tab to follow along in this lesson. Okay, so here we are on our spreadsheet and I have added some data for us to work with. Today's data is based on sales reps and their total sales for the year of 2016 through 2019. Let's begin by selecting column A, B, and C. We're going to go ahead and insert our Box and Whisker chart. Let's go up and say Insert. Now we can either select Recommended Charts or we can get the drop down from the Statistic Charts. I'm going to go ahead and say Recommended Charts. Let's say All Charts. Okay, and then let's go ahead and select Box and Whisker. Next, let's go ahead and say OK. All right, now that our chart is on our screen, let's go ahead and stretch it out a bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and interpret our results. Let's use Leonard Davis as our example. So if we go to the top whisker, this will represent your maximum amount. The bottom whisker will represent the minimum amount. The highlighted area represents your first quartile. The line here in the middle is your median line. The top area, now highlighted, represents your third quartile. The X represents your mean value. Let's go ahead and add a mean line. Okay, so to do this, we just simply need to select one of our column blocks. Let's double click it to get the Format Data Series to show. And let's go ahead and say Show Mean Line. Okay, additionally, we can increase or decrease the gap. I like mine wide, so I'm going to break mine down to a 75%. All right, now let's go ahead and click away. Okay, so let's go ahead and update our titles and then we'll wrap up this lesson. Let's go ahead and select Chart Title and let's just go ahead and call this Box and Whisker. Let's select our chart. Let's get the plus sign and let's go ahead and say Axis Title. Okay, and so for the first title, I'm going to go ahead and call this Sales. And then for the second title, let's go ahead and double click it. Let's say Sale Representatives. And with that being said, I'm going to wrap this lesson up. I hope you found this information helpful and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so that wraps up this video. Job well done today. Be sure to save your work and then celebrate your accomplishments. Great job!